The implementation of a department order to remove administrative tasks from teachers faces challenges. Schools are still awaiting the arrival of administrative staff to replace teachers in these roles, making an immediate implementation of the order unfeasible.
Although very excited na yung mga teachers na matanggal yung kanilang mga admin task, no, hindi siya ganun ka-abrupt. Maliban na lang kung magdadala na kaagad ang division office ng mga non-teaching para gawin yung mga administrative tasks na ito.
Liberty Sacramento, echoing the sentiments of many educators, has requested a separate budget for hiring additional employees to handle administrative tasks. The current plan suggests that funds for hiring non-teaching staff would be derived from the maintenance and other operating expenses of the schools. However, this allocation from MOOE intended for school expenses, including facility construction, raises concerns among educators. Liberty Sacramento expressed apprehension that allocating everything to the salaries of administrative staff might leave insufficient funds for the overall needs of the school.
Ang construction dito, ang repair, so sakop pa rin yun ng MOOE at saka yung iba pang gastusin. So hindi naman sapat kung mag-hire ka ng mga 5 o 10 mga empleyado para doon. So magkano na yon? Magkano ang MOOE? Baka doon na lang lahat mapunta. Paano naman yung pagpapatakbo ng paaralan?
Amabel Villanueva, the president of the Alliance of Concerned Teachers at Caloocan High School, shares similar concerns, suggesting the need for a separate budget to ensure that MOOE remains adequate for school expenses.
Kung babawasan mo yung mga yon para ibayad sa admin task, hindi makakatulong doon sa MOOE ng paaralan. Lalo na kung ang mga paaralan ay mga maliliit at maliit lang MO nila, hindi rin yun makakasapat. Kaya it's better na mag-allocate o kaya tumulong yung lokal na pamahalaan para magkaroon ng solution doon sa inilabas na memorandum na number 2 ng DepEd.
Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte, in the second Basic Education Report, outlined plans for an additional 5,000 administrative personnel by 2024. The report also mentioned an increase in funds for MOOE to facilitate the recruitment for more employees.
To ensure its effective implementation, along with the filling up of 5,000 administrative personnel for 2023 and another 5,000 administrative personnel for 2024, we will also be providing additional MOOE to enable our schools to hire the necessary administrative support staff.
Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.